this is Landon Maxfield with the Maxfield and Associates team at Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage. Today I'd like to talk about the 4 tips that help you successfully navigate making an offer on a home in today's market. So you've been searching for that perfect home to call a home, and you finally found one. The price is right, and in such a competitive market you do want to make sure that you make a good offer so that you can guarantee your dream of making this house yours comes true. Now, Freddie Mac covered 4 tips for making an offer in their latest exclusive executive perspective. Here are the tips that they covered with some additional information for your consideration. First, understand how much you can afford. While it's not nearly as fun as house hunting, fully understanding your finances is critical in making that offer. Now, this tip or step really should take place before you start your home search process. Now, getting pre-approved is one of the many steps that will show home sellers that you're serious about buying. It's going to allow you to make your offer with the confidence knowing that you have already been approved for a mortgage for that amount. Now, you're also going to need to know if you're prepared to make any repairs that may need to be made on the house, like replacing a roof or a furnace, and pre-approval can help you understand that. Secondly, act fast. Even though there are fewer investors, the inventory of homes for sale is also low, and competition for housing continues to heat up all over the country. The inventory of homes listed for sale has remained well below the 6-month supply that's needed for a normal market. Now, buyer demand has continued to outpace the supply of houses for sale, causing buyers to compete with each other for their dream home. So, make sure that as soon as you decide that you want to make that offer, you work with your agent to present it as soon as possible. The third piece is make a solid offer. Freddie Mac offers this advice to make your offer the strongest that it can be. Your strongest offer will be comparable with other sales and listings in the neighborhood. Now, a licensed real estate agent active in the neighborhood that you're considering will be instrumental in helping you put a solid offer in based on their experience, as well as other key considerations such as recent sales of similar homes and the condition of the house that you can afford. So talk to us to find out if there are any ways that you can make your offer stand out more in this competitive market. The fourth thing is be prepared to negotiate. It's likely that you'll get at least one counter offer from the seller, so be prepared. The 2 things that most likely are negotiated are the selling price as well as the closing date. So given that, you'll be glad to know that you did your homework first to understand how much you can afford. Now, your agent will also be a key piece in the negotiation process, so they can guide you on counter offers and making sure that the agreed to contract terms are actually met. If your offer is approved, Freddie Mac urges you to always get an independent home inspection so that you know the true cost and the true condition of the home. If the inspection uncovers undisclosed problems or issues, you can discuss any repairs that need to be made with the seller, as well as it'll give you the opportunity to cancel the contract if needed. The bottom line here is whether you're buying your first home or your 5th, having a local real estate professional who's an expert in their market and is on your side is the best bet to ensure that the process goes smoothly. So take a moment. Let's talk about what we can do to make your dreams of home ownership a reality. You can get a free access to our exclusive buyer guides and our team on our website at servingutah.com. So check it out today.